I promised you were going to be nice this time. No, stop. Oh, sorry. Sherlock is my puppy. He's a little bit shy. Yeah, I know. He's very shy. So he just, yes, I know, buddy. And so he just, you stop it. Don't lick me. Everyone, this is my friend Sherlock. And what? Your girlfriend's here. What? She's sitting at the back and she has a yellow shirt on? Ma'am, I am so sorry.
No,
What? No, I'm not going to let her take you for a walk. No, she's not going to like you on Facebook. Sherlock here is a very educated dog. And will you stop it? All right, ooh, right there? Okay, yeah, he likes it right there. But Sherlock, what? No, she's not going to like, she's not going to do that. Sherlock says that he wants to blow up a balloon. So I'm going to put this balloon in his mouth. You can't blow up a balloon, you're a dog. You don't have lips. What? Put the balloon in my mouth. Then you're going to blow it up. Okay? Oh, very silly. Here, there's your balloon. Now, he has a balloon, and he says he can make it disappear. You ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And lo and behold, the balloon is gone. Give him a big, big hand. All right. Okay, can I have that, please? Can I have that, please? Thank you. Trust me, you. All right. Now what? Oh, he says I need one helper. I need a pretty girl who hasn't helped me before. Let's see. Let's have this young lady with the gray shirt. Give her a big hand as she comes up front here. All right, you stand right there. Now this right here, stand right over here, please, are some different things that Sherlock might like to eat, but there's one thing that he has in here that he loves to eat. Hold this right here. We're going to show you. First of all, whoop, you hold on to them really tight, honey, are bananas. Do doggies eat bananas? No. So we'll put the banana on the bottom right here. Next is a worm. Do doggies eat worms? No, he says. Next is a bone. Does he like bones? Yeah. Let's put that on the bottom. Then we have pizza. Do dogs eat pizza? No, that's for humans. All right. And last of all is broccoli. Do dogs eat broccoli? No. Now what I'd like you to do is I'm going to cover his eyes. You mix those up and he's going to try and find the one. So you go ahead and mix those up. He's not going to look. Don't peek. Stop it. Stop it. All right. Now tell me once you have it mixed up. Okay, you ready? Now what we're going to do is we're going to do this, and he has a powerful taste. So we're going to take the card, one of them, and we're going to put it in his mouth, and he's going to taste it. Is that the one that you want? He says no. Well, that was a worm. He doesn't want the worm, of course. Let's see. Is that the one you want? No. Oh, that was the broccoli. Dogs don't like broccoli. All right. So we're going to take it right here. We'll put this in his mouth. How about that one? No. Oh, pizza. Dogs don't like pizza. Okay, we'll take this one. Now, he's going to try it. Just a sec. Oh, what? Yes? And he picked the bone. Let's give Sherlock and my helper a big, big hand. Oh, don't lick me. Stop licking me.